In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, and peace and blessings be upon the most honorable of messengers, our Master Muhammad, his family, and his companions. Welcome everyone. We are continuing our lecture, and I ask those who are ready to press 1. If you can hear me and are ready, please press 1 so we can start and continue, as we have limited time left. Dr. Muhammad, Dr. Saeed, Dr. Noura, excellent. May Allah bless you all. Creating and managing a Zoom session. For screen sharing, select Screen to display anything. To show a specific window, click on it. Use the whiteboard. Choose Screen to display anything. Students see anything you display. To show only a specific program, open it. And we said that if you want to share your screen, anything you display on the screen, you choose the word Screen. If you want to show a specific window only and don't want anyone to see anything else, you just click on that window. Is everyone with me? Excellent. May Allah bless you all. Now, there's something called the whiteboard. So again, everyone, if you want to display anything on the screen, you choose Screen. This means anything you display on the screen, any program you open, any image you show, any video you play, the students will see it right away. But if you want to show a specific program only and not let them see anything else on your device, you need to open that program and share it. So again, everyone, if you want to display anything on the screen, you choose Screen. This means anything you display on the screen, any program you open, any image you show, any video you play, the students will see it right away. But if you want to show a specific program only and not let them see anything else on your device, you need to open that program and then share it. All right? Now let's talk about the whiteboard. And you share it in a collaborative manner. All right? So now let's talk about the whiteboard. Sometimes some instructors need to use the whiteboard. As you can see, to write on it with the pen, of course you have a pen that you can use to write on it. For example, I wrote like this. And by the way, it's not just a simple and versatile pen. Keep in mind that there's a comprehensive toolbar here where you can easily and efficiently select from the pen tool option and select the check mark. For example, I wrote like this, which is one of the essential components. The physical computer system. All right, I presented this question in front of the students. I told them, come here, I'm going to put a set of options. I put a set of options, and for example, one of them could be the Photoshop processor. Adobe Premiere is a popular video editing software known for its robust features and professional-grade tools, enabling users to efficiently produce and edit high-quality video content. So I tell the students, come on, choose the correct answer. Of course, if I tell them to speak and they respond to it, that's fine. I can say to you, student so-and-so, please answer this question. I can do that. What should I say? Student so-and-so, go ahead and answer the next question. All right. I mean, if he speaks verbally, if this student speaks verbally, he will give an answer. He might say the processor, for example. Okay. I might say to him, please don't speak and just point out the correct answer. Is Dr. Allah with us? All right. Is the doctor here? Is anyone present? Look at this. Okay. Yes, Dr. Allah, I'm going to ask you to put a check mark next to the correct answer. Don't speak. No, put a check mark or like the processor like this. Put your pen on the processor like this. Anyone from the colleagues can do it. Any of the colleagues can answer with the pen or write on the correct answer. Go ahead. Take your time. The people who joined me on Zoom, guys, the people who joined me on Zoom, there's someone in the waiting room. Just a moment. You entered the point of the ink tool, and you can teach with your pen like this. You can mark any correct answer. This tool is very versatile and can be used in various teaching scenarios. It allows you to highlight, underline, and circle important points during your presentation. Make sure to practice using it to become more proficient. This part is important, guys, really important. I took you into the room. I took you to the doctor's room. Yes? May God enlighten you. May God enlighten you. Dr. Allah came, answered, and put check marks on the therapist. He said to him, "So, what do I understand from this, doctor? When I create the whiteboard, can the student participate and interact with me?" Yes, the student can interact with me, but be careful. Pay attention to the upcoming information because it's important. Anyone teach something else? Anyone who joined, teach another answer. Wish someone who joined could. Look, Dr. Al-Fathi, when teaching, he shows who did what. Who taught Dr. Al-Fathi? Can anyone else other than Dr. Al-Fathi teach? Doctor, you are in the waiting room. There are 2 people in the waiting room. No, I won't let you in. Already let you in, doctors. Let's go. People can teach in this case. Be careful. It's a powerful tool. Had a workshop at college. Client was present. Banner was up. Invited all students. They came from Al-Ras, Unaiza, Al-Bukhairia. A boy came in, scribbling. Doctor, you are indeed in the waiting room. There are 2 people in the waiting room. No, my dear, I won't let you in. I've already let you in, doctors. Let's go. There are people who can teach in this case. Be careful. This is a powerful tool. This is a powerful tool. We had a workshop, invited all the students. A boy came in, doodling on the banner. I didn't want him to doodle during my presentation. I wanted to prevent screen sharing. Find here more with 3 dots. Click to find disable annotation for others. And here, I explain this option. While we're sitting in the session during the workshop, I don't want anyone to doodle. In this case, I must see if anyone doodles on the brochure. I want to share only. Click more with 3 dots. Find disable annotation for others. This prevents others' comments. All right. Can Dr. Ali, Dr. Allah, or any colleague scribble or teach on the whiteboard? No? Try it, Dr. Allah. Go ahead, Dr. Maha. Because I want to prevent anyone from sharing with me on the screen. I only want to share myself. You will find here the word more. The word more has 3 dots. Click on it and you will find the option disable annotation for others. And here I'm explaining this option. I'm saying that I'm going to prevent any comments from others from appearing. So, can Dr. Ali or Dr. Allah or any colleague scribble on the whiteboard or mark on the whiteboard? Can anyone mark on the whiteboard? No? All right. Give it a try. Dr. Allah, go ahead, Dr. Maha, give it a shot. No, that doesn't exist. Yes, indeed, that's the kind, in this case, if you are presenting something at a scientific conference or showcasing something, you have guests with you and you don't know where they came from. In this case, I disable anything from the participants. What do I close from the word disable? As for enabling, if I have taught it again, they can teach it again and it works again, and so on. This is very, very important because to avoid what happened in the workshop, I immediately went and disabled any sharing and erased what was there. You can use the eraser tool to wipe out anything that happened. Like if the brochure is up, I can use the eraser to remove anything on it. At the same time, I can just let it go. I didn't let the students do anything with me. Of course, you have other tools. It's not just limited to this. You have a check mark if you want to mark something. For example, if you want to put a check mark. These methods come with other tools, like the eraser or, for example, the highlighter. If you choose the highlighter in a specific color, Just a moment. Betrayal here, Mahur.